Now I want you to scroll over the ad that's turned off, and I want you to click duplicate. Scroll over to right and press duplicate, and click duplicate with current settings. Click continue, and um, um, click duplicate with original objective. It says original objective. Scroll down a little bit.
Oh, duh, right in front of the face.
Scroll down a little bit. And click duplicate updates.
Is that what this says right here? I can't see it.
Yeah. All right. I want you to change the campaign name up there to lead ad dash video. Okay. Scroll down a little bit. Okay. You can make the budget $15. You know, yeah, or if you want, yeah, I think $15 is a good starting point for that. Okay. And then I want you to click custom, click the middle so you click here, right here.
Oh,
Yeah.
way over.
And then I want you to you can we'll come back with that. Scroll down a little bit. Scroll down. Scroll down. I want you to go ahead and edit this location here. Okay. This is around your practice, but you can put in like an exact location if you want to here. So type in your location address. It's populated based upon your page address, but because we're pulling this up, we can put in your direct thing in there. And then select this results down here. Okay. And then do you want to target people 15 miles or 10 miles around your practice?
You tell me.
Um, I think
Especially-
I think 10 miles is fine. Scroll up a little bit. Scroll up a little bit. Go ahead and then exit out of this thing here. And click the X here. Okay. Scroll down a little bit. See, you can change like the targeting. Right now, we're not targeting anybody over 64. If you edit this, we can target over 64. So go ahead and scroll over this and edit it. And then click 65 plus. And now we just expand it who we're targeting a little bit longer. And now I want you to click here. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change this video to the video that we just made. So scroll down. In the middle section, scroll down. And then keep going down. And you go ahead and click this trash can here. And we're going to go ahead and now add the new video.
Share.
And yep. Click next. Click done. And you can scroll up some, and you can say testimonial video, laser testimonial video. It's what you can name the ad.
Right here.
Scroll a little further, very top, right here. And press publish. And now you just launch the old ad copy with the new video.
So now we've got, you and I have 2 ads out plus a third ad that's retargeting people that clicked on the first 2 ads.
Correct.
That's crazy.